Climate change is adversely affecting people around the world now. Extreme hot temperatures, heavy precipitation, drought, flooding, sea level rise, low crop yield, severe risk to fishery, impact on biodiversity and species are all examples of the same. Since the pre-industrial times, particularly in the last 50 years, human activities have caused about 1 to 1.2 degrees of global warming, increasing by 0.2 degrees every decade due to past and ongoing carbon emissions. This is credible information based on a consensus amongst scientists drawn from over 6,000 scientific studies done over decades around the world. It is widely believed 1.5 degrees temperature increase is the maximum that the Earth system can tolerate, and anything beyond will have catastrophic consequences on economic and social activities. If current trend of emissions continue, 1.5 degrees will be reached between the years 2030 and 2050. Where do we want to go? Where are we heading towards? As a part of the ecosystem of the world and as a human being, we have critical role in shaping the future of the Earth system. Limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees centigrade. What difference does half degree make? Think about the alternatives. What are the other ways? What is really needed? First of all, look at what is causing global warming. Mainly, human activities are causing. The big polluters here are energy, in particular, electricity production using fossil fuels like coal. Industry, factories emitting carbon dioxide. Transportation. Buildings, including refrigeration, air conditioning systems, construction materials. Time for action is now. Strengthening global response, people responses, transformative changes and incremental changes. Zero carbon innovation, clean energy, clean mobility, low energy demand and low energy buildings, low material consumption and recycling, low carbon food, sustainable food supply and have the highest co-benefits. Sustainability or sustainable development. A careful mix of policies to adapt, mitigate and develop need cooperation, multi-level governance, innovation and investment. Ethical and fair transitions can achieve sustainable development and poverty eradication. Every bit of warming matters. Every action matters. Every year matters. And every choice matters. So, make a smart choice.